Might need to tune that one. Ni hao tong shui. This is your teacher, Mr. Brown, with our third recorded session for this term for students in grades 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in our session today we're going to take a look at that song we're looking at last week, which sings about days of the week. I've got a few new cards for you to have a look at in our craft section when we're looking at flashcards. Rudi also has a weather report which we'll be looking at too. So he's got a prediction on what the weather's going to be like this week, and so we'll be able to listen to that as well. Okay, so very first thing we're going to do is we're going to sing that song as soon as I tune my guitar. So I'm going to have the words just appear right down there so you'll be able to sing along as well. So let's get started. I'm going to play this through twice too. 星期一、星期二，还有星期三，星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天。星期一、星期二，还有星期三，星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天。一星期有7天，可每天都好。因为你是我的朋友，一星期有7天，可每天都好。因为你是我的朋友。Now let's try that one again. How did you go? Okay, let's do it again. 星期一，星期二，还有星期三。星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天。星期一、星期二，还有星期三。星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天。一星期有7天，可每天都好。因为你是我的朋友。一星期有7天，可每天都好。因为你是我的朋友。How did you go? 很好, okay. Okay, let's take a look at the days of the week. I'm not going to put them out in any particular order. We're just going to have a look and you need to guess what they are. So we have 星期三、星期五、星期四、星期六、星期一、星期二, and I'll see if I can fit this one in. Yes, I can. 星期天. Okay, so let's start up the top. 星期三. Okay, remember san is 3. Third day starting from Monday. Monday's going to be day 1. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 星期三. All right, let's have a look at which one actually is Monday. Day 1. 星期一. Here we go. Well, this one. 星期天. Oh, we'll come back to that one. 星期二. That's 2, so that is Tuesday. We have Wednesday. So day 1, day 2, day 3. We're looking for day 4. 星期四. S for 4, so that's Thursday. Now looking for 5. Wu, that's 5. 星期五. Day 5 is Friday. And now 星期六. Liu meaning 6. That is day 6. And lastly, 星期天, tian, meaning sky, or in our case, Sunday. Okay, next thing. Now Rudi's here this morning. Ni hao tong shui. Rudi, ni hao ma? 我很好，你呢？我也很好，谢谢你，没关系. Okay, 没关系. Now, what's 没关系 mean? 没关系. Okay, I better translate that. 没关系 means don't mention it or you're welcome. So that's a new word for us in our greetings in our greetings phrases, which is good to do. Now, Rudy's going to put together a weather report. Is that right, Rudi? Dway. Okay, I'm going to let Rudi go, and you'll be back, won't you? Dway. Okay, very good. See you soon. 再见. Here's our weather cards that we were looking at last week. So we have 天气, which just means weather. So 天气. Okay, next one. For cloud, we have yin. I'm just going to say this twice. Just have a go at saying it as well, everyone. Now, next one. Please listen and repeat. For rain, 下雨. Oops, it's reflecting a bit there. Sorry about that. Okay, next for a sunny day. It's 晴天. Excellent. Okay, let's have a look at the word for snowing, which is 下雪. Still has that character there for going down like rain does. 下. Okay. And next one, cold weather. Oops, sorry. You can see it just there. 冷 for cold. Okay, now windy. Let's have a look. 刮风. And the last one for hot weather. Oops, sorry, that's a bit reflective there. Re. Okay. All right, I'm just going to go look for Rudi and we'll be back with our weather report. Stay tuned. This is the MBCC News Update, Weather Update with Mr. Brown and Rudi. Oh, that was very interesting. Don't know where that came from. Okay, now, so Rudi has put together... Oh, Rudi! I forgot to mention your tie. Doesn't that look good? Okay, you're looking very much like a news presenter now. Okay, very good. Okay, so Rudi has put together a 7-day weather update for us to have a look at. So this is his weather report. Is that right? Wait. Okay, so let's have a look. So we're going to start looking at Monday. Oops, sorry, the camera's wobbling a bit there. Monday, what's happening for 星期一? Okay, what's happening here, Rudi? 星期四. 下雨. Okay, so a bit of rain for Monday for 星期一. Okay, very good. So the farmers will love that. That'll be terrific. Okay, so Tuesday, 星期二. Let's see. Okay, this looks interesting. 星期二, what's happening here? 星期二是晴天. So it's sunny on Tuesday. Well, that'll be nice. We can get outside and enjoy some nice weather after all that rain on Monday, which is today, everybody. So what's our next day, Rudi? Let's see. It's okay. 星期三, that's Wednesday. So what's happening Wednesday? 星期三是下雪. Snow. 对. Snow on Wednesday. 对. Snow. Well, there you go. Okay, well, you heard it first here, everyone. Okay, let's see what's happening on Thursday. 星期四. What's happening, Rudi? 星期四是冷. It's cold.对. So, yeah, I can understand after all that snow, well, it's going to be cold. Okay, you've heard it here. Let's have a look. Now, Friday. What's happening Friday? That's 星期五. Let's see, well, this looks interesting. Okay, what's happening Friday, Rudi? 星期五是刮风. Windy. So a windy day on Friday, everyone. So hold on to your hats. Make sure you're rugged up. It's going to be snowing. It's going to be cold. It's going to be windy. All right. Okay, so what's happening on Saturday? I hope it gets better than that. Okay, what's happening now? 星期六 is Saturday. What's happening Saturday, Rudi? 星期六是水灾. A flood? 水灾. 对. A flood on Saturday. You sure? 对. Okay, rightio. Now, well, I hope it gets better than that. Okay, so what's happening on Sunday? 星期天. What on earth have we got here? 星期天是火灾. A bushfire? 对. A bushfire on Sunday. 对. Rudi, I don't know about that last one, or the second last one for that matter. I think we're going to get snow here. We might get snow in the mountains. 对. Right, anyway. Okay, well, that's our weather report, which might be accurate. It might. 对. Okay, Time for us to get on to a craft. So that's it for the weather report. Interesting. Okay. Okay, these are some new words for you to learn this week. Now, some of these words Rudi was just mentioning before, and there's some other ones as well. This one we were talking about last week, tianqi, which is weather. Now, some other ones, 闪电, lightning. Now, this one's an interesting one, 龙卷风 for cyclone or tornado, it can also be called. Now, the reason why I find this one interesting is because it's got this word long in it, and that character there, which means dragon. So, cyclones, major storms, typhoons, hurricanes, associated with dragons. Now, our next three have this word zai. Sorry, I didn't say it right. Zai in it. Now, zai is made up with two characters. It's got a roof, and it's got this character, which means fire. Okay, so han zai means drought. Now, zai, I forgot to mention, usually refers to, in these next three, something to do with a big major disaster. So han zai, drought. This one actually has the character for fire in it. Huo zai, so a wildfire, or we would call a bushfire. Shui zai, flood. And I drew some waves here. Looks like they're tumbling and crashing in. And this last word is an interesting one. Shu, humid. Now, we don't have much humidity around Victoria unless we have a really hot summery day. But if you go into tropical places like in Queensland, Northern Territory, the top of Western Australia, further north into Southeast Asia and into southern China, you'll definitely get a lot of humid weather. Shu. And to show that it's humid, I've got a hot sun here, a little bit of rain or moisture, and a thermometer with the temperature on 30 degrees. So usually 30, 31 degrees is when the weather gets really humid, especially with a bit of moisture and a hot sun. So your task is to cut these out, colour them in, and again, you can choose whether you want to stick them back to back, or you can keep them separate and use them as memory cards. So it's up to you. I've been really enjoying seeing a lot of the colouring in and the work that you have all been doing on the last couple of weeks worth of cards. Well done. It has been fantastic to see. Thank you very much for showing me. You know, Rudi, that's a really good stripy tie you've got on there. That's stripy blue. There's something about wearing a tie that's stripy and blue. It's very distinguished, I would say. Would you say that? Great. Okay, very good. Well, that's going to be all from us, everyone. Have a great week this week. I hope you enjoy getting into those flashcards and using them to learn a few more words about the weather. In the next following week or so, we're going to be doing what Rudi did before and saying particular weather on a particular day. Okay, anyway, Zaijian from me, Zaijian Tongshui, and Zaijian from Rudi as well. Zaijian. See you later. Have a great week.